Good afternoon, everyone. Our topic this afternoon is about man or monkey. Are you a man or a monkey? I was so amazed when I read the article of Dr. Hill Fernandez in one of his devotional book. The title is Man or Monkey. At si Dr. Hill Fernandez actually is one of the favorite professor of my late husband in AUP, Pastor Avi Denia. So, nung buhay pa siya, kinikwento niya sa akin na ukol sa mga um, ni Dr. Hill Fernandez, and he really appreciate that professor. So, sa isang panahon, si Dr. Hill Fernandez together with his wife were jogging in AUP. Nung nakarating sila doon sa may gate, ay nila na may isang kabataan na nakaupo doon sa waiting shed, at may on the side was a suitcase, and he was so very anxious, and he said, "Where are you going?" "Oh, I'm going back home," sabi ng binatang ito. "Bakit?" "Oh, sabi niya, I hate the bell in the morning when we have to have the cafeteria meal. I hate the vegetarian dish in the cafeteria. They are just for goats. And I hate the worship time when I was sleeping. They're going to wake up and worship. And I had the assignment. So many assignments was given every day, so I cannot play basketball." So other many reasons that he is telling Dr. Fernandez. So Dr. Fernandez have to defend the AUP program, of course, and he has to cite some examples and some advices. And lastly, he told this guy, there are only two groups of people coming to AUP, men or women, same. The first group we call it is man or men. These are the group of people who, when problems comes, they have to use their fists, their hands, they have to use their grit, their teeth, and they have to use all the building tenacities in order to stay, survive, and finish the course. And the other group of people, men and women including, are those people I call the monkeys. These are the group of people who, when problems arises, they surrender, they pack up their things, and they go back home. So because this guy did not believe in the theory of evolution, that people descended from the apes or the monkeys, he come to think about it. What am I? Am I a man or a monkey? So nang napag-isip-isip niya yon, nag-isip siya. Sabi niya, no, I'm not a monkey, I'm a man. So iniwan siya ni Dr. Fernandez, and then after a few seconds, a few minutes, he went back to the dorm with his suitcase. And later, after some time, he walked down center aisles to accept his diploma dahil nakagraduate na siya. And after some time later, go back to that same circle aisle holding a beautiful lady on their wedding day. So, yung taong ito ay naging isang manggagawa ng ating Panginoon at naging masaya sa kanyang having his own family. And right there and then, lumapit siya kay Dr. Hill Fernandez. Thank you for asking me if I am a man or a monkey. Minsan sa ating mga personal na buhay, pwede natin itatanong din yung katanungan ni Dr. Hill Fernandez. Are you a man or a monkey? Naalala ko yung aking anak because I want to pursue Christian education with my children, especially kahit na namatay na yung daddy nila na pastor. So, ang aking panganay, when he was in AUP, second year high school, ay nagkaroon siya ng problema doon. I was always go to the guidance. So I said, I'm going to transfer you to Lipa Academy. Pero nagkaroon ng problema nung transfer namin sa Lipa Academy. Meron siya isang subject na failed. Which is, I really do not know about it. So, sabi ng Lipa, no, you are going back to AUP and resolve this problem. Kung magagawa nyo ng paraan dahil wala namang prerequisite yung subject na yan, you really cannot enroll here. So I go back to the AUP. Matapang daw yung principal doon. Sabi ko, hindi, matapang din ako. Kausapin ko na lang. Tapos, kinausap ko yung principal. I asked him, where's the note that you informing me that my son has a back subject? Where is the letter that you sent me? Because I'm doing that in our school, being the principal too. So we have to send message to the parent, and we have a copy to left in the school. Where's that copy that you have sent me? Kung hindi ko man natanggap yon, and they cannot produce any copy of that. Ibig sabihin, I was not informed. So I told them to do something about that, because that's not my problem anymore, that's their problem. So much so that for a time, ay naayos nila yung card na yon, and my son was able to enter the AUP. Ang problema, my son would really do not like Lipa Academy because hindi siya kasing ganda ng AUP. So I told him, you're to stay there for a month. And after a month, pag hindi mo nagustuhan yung school na yan, you can go back home and stop your schooling. That's final. And so, he has to stay there. And after a month, I called him. Kasi hindi naman ako parating pupunta doon. And he's not willing to go home. Kumbaga, nawili na siya doon. So, kung nandun si Dr. Hill Fernandez nung time na yon, siguro ang tatanong niya sa akin, are you a man or a monkey? Susuko ako na bibigyan ng Christian education yung aking anak. Panganay pa naman yung kamukha ng daddy niya. And after graduation, when he graduated, he has a very long article written on the school paper. And that Academy has taught me to be an organized person, and so many, and I was so glad to read that. And when he was in college, pursued at MAMC, and hanggang nakagraduate na siya as a nurse. And I was really so happy. I did not regret having or giving him that Christian education. Because kahit na nurse siya ngayon, hindi lang naging kamukha niya si daddy, yung daddy niya, pero nakuha niya yung kung gaano kagaling mag-sermon yung daddy niya. And he has so many appointments in Cavite or any other place because of his informative sermon style. So, ang tanong na ibibigay ko sa inyo rin na gaya ng pwedeng ibigay sa akin ni Dr. Hill Fernandez. Are you a man or a monkey? So to end, I want to read this passage from Joshua 1:7. Joshua chapter 1 verse 7. Only be thou strong and very courageous, that thou mayest observe to do all things according to all the law. Turn not from your right or from your left, and that thou mayest prosper whithersoever thou goest. Joshua 1:7. So are you a man or a monkey. Thank you very much for watching, and may God bless us today.